Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop. Welcome to issues 93 and 94 of Build the Batmobile from the classic 1966 TV series Batman from our good old pals over at Fanhome. Now, if you'd like to grab this beautiful 1/8 scale replica, head over to their website. There's a clickable link in the description below. Pop, and you too can have this on your bench, folks. So let's have a quick scoot through the magazines and see what we're up to this week. First up, we got the TV show I Spy. See what they did there. Then you got the great Batman comics. Batman Year by Year is 2013. Continuation there with some of the artwork. Very upset looking Batman there. Batman and Superman. I like that. That's 0 year. Batman returns home to take on his crime fighting mantle. The old bat bike there. This is what we got this week, folks. We have got the rear window and we've got the left and right supports and the little indicator lights. And they're just going to be fitted like so. And it says here, the indicator lights supplied in this assembly phase are decorative and will not light up. I'm going to see whether I can get mine to light up. I'll have a go. We'll see what happens. And that's what we're going to end up with at the end of that magazine. So if we go to issue 94, you got the TV show there, the duo Defy. Absolute Batman, #1 there from the great comics. Batman 14, 2014. He's got some pearlies there, isn't he? Eh? Look at that lot. Like a row of condemned houses. Detective comic number 27. He's getting a dry slap there off a Catwoman. Car parts there are the window frames, front and rear, and some SM screws. Showing you how it all goes together, the framework around the window, putting in the indicator supports, etc., slotting it into place on the rear body panel, and then fastening it with some SM screws, folks, okay? So that's what we're going to be up to. So that's the magazine's done. Let's grab all our bits and bobs and we'll start a bit of assembly for you. We've got some SM screws over there, and these little indicators are going in these little pieces here. So if we cut one of those off, like that, and they're then pressing into here. Like that. And it's saying that they're not supposed to light up. I've got a feeling we might, if we're lucky, be able to light them. So we'll have an attempt at it. So I'll see what they look like when they're fitted. And then I've got a feeling I can put a little tiny nano bulb behind them. So we'll see. Bit similar to what I did with the steering wheel, folks. Like that. Put a little bit of glue on that, I think, just to hold that in place. I think they might have the potential for pingage, don't you? So where is it telling me they're gonna? There's 3 holes down the back there somewhere. Oh yeah, so it's gonna fit in there. Okay, so we'll put the framework on and we'll see whether we need to glue them in place. Don't know, I'm going to do it anyway, regardless. It won't hurt. Do the same with the other side. Like that. So let's push the rear window frame edge in place. So let's have a look at what we got here. This is the rear window frame, and we got loads of little pins poking out. It says to push in and around the window. like so. Now we've got loads of little tapes as well here. So I think that they might come in handy as well to attach that. So we're going to need a few of these in place, I think. So I'm going to use these. I think these are designed to hold these window frames on. So I'm going to utilise them. Like so. That should then give us a nice bit of frameage. That's what we're hoping for. Let's pop them off. See how we look. And then by powers of deduction, number 4. Like that. Now we can line that up. Work that away around and start pressing them in place. Press that into place around there. Bring you down onto there and then do the same the other side. So let's line them pegs up. There you go. And then we can run them right round and press that firmly into situ. Like that. Here's what we want. So that's that done. Now I want to do the same with this top curved edge and get that in situ as well. Grab our stickers. Use the edge of your fingernail there just to bed it in that little groove. I just want to work our way from the edges around to the middle now and get all of these in place. That's that done. Right, I can now look at placing you on now. So we got little lugs going on the back of there. So let's find the pins. They're going there. That one's going in there. And then they're going all the way around there like so. Okay. So that's how that's going. And again, the glue on them stickers will bond. And then we got the little press fits going round the sides there, like that. There you go. Done. And then we'll put a bit of glue on that one as well, I think. Done. Let's bring in our body shell. And we'll get this window fitted. We want SM screws on that. So it's going in like so. Like that. Then we got that going up under there. Cool. Let's get our first screw in. We've got a bit of oil already on there. Grab the next one. Same again, bit of oil. Grab that one. Another bit of oil. Send you up in there. Again, don't over tighten these, folks, because it is clear plastic and it will crack. Just trying to preempt that from happening. There you go. I can see that screw hole now. Straight in there. There you go. Done. Pull my finger out the hole. And that is that done. Let's give that glass a little bit of a de-fingerprint as best as I can. And there you go, folks. That is this issue done. So we've got our rear windows in the Batmobile now. And this will get a real good polish once this is fully finished and assembled. But there you go, folks. That's this issue done. So don't forget, if you'd like to grab this and build along with me, folks, head over to the Fanhome website. There's a clickable link in the description below. And you too can be building this beautiful 1/8 scale partwork. Also, to help me out, if you click little fester in the corner there and subscribe to the channel, I'll be immensely grateful. It helps the channel grow and keeps it alive. Ring the bell as well whilst you're there, select all. That way you'll get notified of upcoming future content. In the meantime, thank you so much for coming in and keeping me company. Stay safe and well. I'll see you in the next video.